Hey gang, this is Dave Littlejohn. We're doing something different this week. We're going to be checking in. Our investment committee met yesterday, and what I'm doing is a quick follow-up and summary. Those of you that are clients already, you know that we send these out via email. If you're not already on the list, you can check the link below, connect with us, and we'll make sure that we can get that to you. But here's kind of a high level of what we see going on, especially in light of the fact that yesterday, obviously, it was a pretty crazy day in the market. So we saw near 5% drops across major indexes, more than 5% for the NASDAQ. That's pretty unusual. It basically rolled back all of September's gains. So what we notice, or what we note, of course, is September's historically pretty volatile. It's likely to continue to be pretty volatile because we're going into midterm elections. There's also a number of other things that we were paying attention to. So I'm just going to kind of jam through the list. One of them is the strength of the US dollar. It's been about parity with the euro. That creates real trade headwinds. Of course, we still have disruption in supply chains, and we've got disruptions in the workplace, right? There's just a shortage of workers. And so all of this is contributing to headwinds in the economy. But there's a flip side to it, and not always lost. We also see that stock prices, at least relative to a year ago, are significantly cheaper. The real question is, where do we go from here? And mostly what we're trying to watch as a committee is how the Federal Reserve is behaving. We think in Washington, D.C., I don't care which team you play for, we know they spend a lot of money, and we know that spending has created an inflation problem. What we want to see is how is the Federal Reserve responding to that? So we're paying intense attention to that detail and what it's going to do to money supply. And then we're looking underneath the hood of our portfolios themselves. So we're looking at how stock prices are behaving. We're looking at opportunities to either, while this is not ideal, if we have losses, maybe harvest those losses and utilize them against future gains. We're also looking at positions that are struggling in an environment where maybe everything else is starting to go back up and they are not. So we're looking for rotational leadership change and what that can mean for investors. So if you want to get more information, like I said, send us the info below. We can get you the committee summary, but this is the start. So as always, if you got questions, let us know, hit us up in the comments, and we'll go from there. But anyway, quick check-in. Thanks a lot. This has been Dave Littlejohn. We'll see you later.